I drive hundreds of Ks a day, and just like Hayden Paddon, I drive a Kona EV. If the EVs are good enough for him, then they're well and truly good enough for me. I've had it for about 2.5 years. In that time I've done 125,000 Ks. Huge savings over the Subaru that I used to have. Saved me about $31,000 in running costs and maintenance costs. Most New Zealanders only drive about 30 Ks a day on average. Get the most affordable EV that works for you. Then just drive home at night, plug it into your 3-pin plug. Away you go, you've got a full tank every morning. With a long range EV, I can drive for 5 hours, stop for lunch, charge up, have a feed, and I'm off, ready to go again. So trips from Auckland to Wellington, one stop, no problem. I've driven Christchurch to Auckland in one day, timing it with the ferry. I love my Kona EV, but it's time for a change. So I'm passing on the Kona to a new owner that does long distance rally driving.
I'm Margaret and I live in rural Northland. I've been driving an EV on the rough old roads of the Kaipara for nearly 6 years now, and my little Leaf has done me well. 152,000 kilometres, a great little car, and I'm going to miss her, but it's Kona o'clock. If it's good enough for Hayden Paddon, it's good enough for me.